All right, come on, let's go. I'm making little videos of you. Y'all been up here? Guess what? Guess you did. You was here before. Me, you, and Marty. Look where you going now. I gotta go and import all these videos. How you feel, man? Being 6, how it feel?
Good.
Why?
Good. But where's the ducks?
We gonna find them ducks right now. We gonna find them ducks, man. I gotta hurry up. Come on, let's walk a little bit faster.
They.
You don't ever remember being out here?
No.
Well, me, you, and Marty came out here. You was a real small little boy. I think he was 2. And I had said, come on this way. Because it's getting dark. Come on, man. Come on. I gotta make sure ain't no cars and stuff coming. Try to come out here thinking one nobody gonna be out here around this time of night. People still was up in here. Why they was out here for, man? Huh? Huh?
I don't know. It sounds scary.
It sounds scary.
But it looks scary to me.
It looks scary to you?
Uh-huh.
It's gonna really look scary when we go back here. I'm gonna let the ghosts get you. And that monster. Huh?
No, you not.
Man, you gotta start looking at the camera sometime, man. You act like you're a daggone Hollywood star. Trying to run from the paparazzi. You gotta look up sometime, man. This your birthday. Uh-oh, you hear the ghost? You hear the ghost?
That's not a ghost.
What is it? I hear people. How you know that's not a ghost? Huh?
I just know.
You don't know. There's a duck out here somewhere, man. We're gonna find him. We're gonna find him. Make sure my camera don't fall in the water. How y'all doing? Come on, man. We're gonna find one. Let's try.
There's lots of turtles out there.
Oh, there's lots of turtles?
Yeah, past that railing over there.
Oh, okay. Look at this, man. Look at that big ass black tie. Doesn't look like a big bluebird. Come over here, man. Let's see what this is. I got 9 minutes left. Oh, beautiful, man. You see it? Don't nothing be over here. This part right here, this is ran through this office building right here. It just hit a switch and it cut on. But the rest of this is real right here. This the real deal. Come on, we're gonna see what he was talking about.
Is this whole thing
See-
a phone?
Ain't nothing out here today.
I see a spider web.
Well, don't mess with it. All the ducks and all that, they just said forget it. They out. Come over here real quick. I'm gonna show you something. See these things right here? These some of the look. No, right here. These some of the turtles that be out here. I don't know. My camera is acting real shitty, and I'm tired of messing with it right now. I don't feel like messing with it. It's a mud turtle, a red belly turtle, yellow belly sliders, eastern pointed turtle, red earth lily. Anyhow, Ava, these some of the up here, man. Come here. Man, you got a hard time understanding anything. See them? Can you see right here? These up here? Damn, stuff jumping on me. Ain't nothing out here, man. You said something about a duck. You ain't see no little duck now. Oh, there got a turtle right there. There got 2 of them. There's a whole lot of turtles. You know what I'm saying, baby? Then this water. I got one right here. You know what I'm saying? I got one right here looking at us. But this dirty ass water. This a whack video, man. And I don't trust my camera being over top of this water even though I got the strip. Huh?
I gotta pee.
You gotta pee. Alright, well. Tell everybody, hey, man.
Hey.
Hey, but the camera up here.
Hey.
What you doing?
Nothing.
Huh? You having fun?
Being good.
Me, you, and who else?
Brian,
Yeah, where Brian at?
over there, what the kids at.
You said, hey, Auntie Nene Boo.
Hey, Auntie Nene Boo.
Hey, Shiki.
Hey, Shiki.
Hey, Kia.
Hey, Kia.
Leon.
Hey, Leon.
Big Leon.
Hey, Big Leon.
Danasia.
Hey, Danager.
Lulu.
Hey, Lulu.
Grandma.
Hey, Grandma.
Anime.
Hey, Anime.
Krisha.
Hey, Krisha.
Who else? I'm left now. I can't get everybody. We ain't got that much time. I'm about to cut it off though, so we can look at these turtles. He wants something. I should throw a rock at him. Let me see.
So he could get mad?
There go one right there. He moving too. And there got another one. Yep, that's him. I don't know what they think I got for them. Them Ninja Turtles? Michelangelo and Leonardo right here. You say you got a pee, man? Huh? I'm recording your little tail. You think you cute. You ain't cute. Huh? You is? What's your teacher name?
Miss you.
Is she good? She pretty? Real pretty, ain't it? A whole lot of them teachers in there pretty. You gotta talk, man.
She do good.
Oh, okay. You ready for me to stop filming? Huh?
Go back.
Go back? Cause today your what?
Birthday.
Alright, man. I was just checking out a little bit of how this camera is. Seeing what it do. Alright, man.